Hi guys, how you going today? I hope you're all well. Today I'd like to review Paid Network's performance since it was released and how it's doing today. I originally became interested in Paid Network token because of its dual use case. Firstly, it's designed to enforce or provide mediation legalities in smart contracts, which I imagine will be absolutely part of the mainstream in almost all smart contracts in the future. And also, it has Ignition, which is a launchpad for new projects, which give all the holders a chance with over 1,000 tokens to get allocations for new projects. If you look at the price chart, you can see clearly where the hack happened recently, but you can also see a really strong recovery since then. I think the way Paid Network and Carl Chassé handled the situation really helped, and consequently investors gained a lot of confidence. Okay, so you'll notice the price of Paid has really pumped in the last few days, and this is probably due to the recent announcement that Paid have secured investment of 100 million from Binance in the DeFi Accelerator Fund. That's 100 million. So Paid will also be working not only on the Ethereum network but also on Binance Smart Chain as well as Polkadot in the future. So probably this means new projects will be launched from Ignition on the Binance Smart Chain in the medium term, which is really good for the users because it is way cheaper on the Binance Smart Chain than Ethereum right now. For those viewers who have never used a launchpad before, I'd say Ignition is a pretty smooth process. Firstly, you apply for any upcoming IDOs, so you'll be able to see those on Ignition itself, or you can follow Paid Network on Twitter where they'll also list them. Then all you have to do is fill out the whitelist. You don't have to retweet or tag people like Polkerstarter or Starter in your Twitter account, so that's a big bonus. After you've filled out the whitelist, then you'll get an email confirming that you've received your application. And then, if you're lucky, you'll get another email with a golden ticket, which means you have received an allocation into the new project. The chances of receiving a golden ticket are increased by the more paid tokens you hold. You are also rewarded by their system, Chain of HODL, which means you will be more likely to get future allocations if you HODL your allocation tokens rather than dumping them soon after getting them. I hope that helps anyone who is curious about launchpads. Personally, I've used a bunch of them and I found Polkerstarter has probably the best results, but really hard to get an allocation. Starter is about the same as Polkerstarter. TrustSwap, you have a guaranteed allocation, but the projects don't have anywhere near the same hype as Polkerstarter or DuckDAO. Although TrustSwap's recently launched Flash Launch, and the two recent projects have performed really well. I recently got some BSC pad tokens, but as of yet haven't participated in an IDO, but it looks quite promising. The last projects performed fantastically. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you'd like me to do a more detailed breakdown or a tutorial type video on any of the above launchpads, let me know and I'll give it a go for you. Thanks for today. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye for now.